Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'll be swatching and reviewing the Elements palette by Urban Decay. This palette was released last month as part of their holiday collection, and I'm still unsure if it's limited edition. So the palette retails for $52 and it can be found at Urban Decay's website, Sephora, and Ulta. I'll go ahead and have the links down below. So the packaging of the palette, as you can see, is a big compact with inspiration of the elements. The palette is all plastic and it feels pretty heavy, and it also feels good quality. It has a snap closure with a good quality mirror. The palette has 19 exclusive eyeshadows, and the palette was inspired by the elements air, earth, fire, and water. In the 19 shades, there's a mixture of mattes, holographic shimmers, and metallics. There's 4 mattes, 10 holographics, which include the shimmers and micro shimmers, and 5 metallics. The 12 eyeshadows in the outer circle are 0.9 grams each, and the 6 shadows in the inner circle are 0.3 grams. The shade in the middle is 1.5 grams. I love the formula of these eyeshadows. They feel very creamy and pigmented, as you will see in my swatches. The only shade I had to layer up was the light green shade called Secret Keeper. Also, the shade Silver Burn was the least creamy shade compared to the rest of the shimmers and metallics. The mattes were pigmented and felt smooth. I did experience some kick up when grabbing product with the brush, but not a crazy amount. Firestarter felt a bit grainy, but I didn't have any issues when I swatched it or tested it on the eyes. And honestly, I wasn't surprised because I noticed that red tones typically feel more on the drier side. The shade Sapphire Dream was the most pigmented and creamiest cobalt blue I have ever come across. Just the way it shows on the video is how you actually see it in person. I feel this is my favorite eyeshadow in the palette. So overall, I'm happy with my purchase. I recommend this palette to a beauty junkie and a beauty collector. If you don't feel comfortable with color, this is not the palette for you, since this palette is filled with colorful shades. Also keep in mind that this palette has only 4 mattes, so you will more likely have to reach for another palette with matte shades. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.